boys and girls, I wanted to show you our purple martin birdhouse that the district employees came to install at the base of our garden. Now, this is the wrong time of year for purple martins. It's in the summer, but we have to do a special work order so that when they put the pole down into the ground, it doesn't get into any of our irrigation lines. They did a great job, and this will be ready for our purple martins next year, hopefully. I was researching where to put it, and purple martins like a big place for them to fly in and out so they can go quickly in and out of their house and avoid predators. And they also don't want it too close to our playground where the kids will be running around. Hopefully we'll get some purple martins. They're great birds for eating bugs that are harmful to our garden and also mosquitoes. And when they migrate through San Antonio, which is where we live, they like to come usually in February. Like that last week of January, they start scouting out and they're looking for homes, and this will be here ready for them. Meanwhile, it's beautiful in our garden. How exciting!